exactly is the ability to introduce samples, hits from other kits, to load other kits on top of a pattern that you've already created, and looking at velocity and gate and random drum placement. So first we want to go over to our input output. We want to select Ultrabeat. We're only going to choose stereo at this stage. Ultrabeat pops up in the window and presents itself here. One of the first things we want to do is we want to go to the default setting. We want to go to drag and drop samples, and if we look at what Ultrabeat's done, it's cleared all the settings from the first default kit and give us something random, basic setting. I'm just going to choose a hit of any kind. I'm going to choose a loop, and you literally drag the loop there. And what that gives us the ability to do is to introduce a loop right across Ultrabeat. This loop could be anything from a piano note to a drum loop, have you just heard, a string or a voice. You could then use oscillator 1, oscillator 2 to manipulate the sound, whatever you create and bring in. We're going to be exploring these features through the course of this look at Ultrabeat top tip and tech tips. Okay, so we've initialized a sample in Ultrabeat, but it's not actually clear, this setting. So what we could do in order to make this setting clear, it's still got some of the features left from the last sample. So what we could do is go to hold Control, click down with your mouse, or click on the right hand side of your mouse and go down to sample. And what we are presented with is the exact minimalist settings Ultrabeat gives us. There's some noise in there, so it does need treating across the envelope. However, I suppose that's the aspect of creativity that a person could be left to do. We're going to now introduce something else about this part of Ultrabeat. I'm going to go to import, and import takes us to this folder, the Ultrabeat folder, and here are the kits you usually presented with from the other window. However, in order for us to change just individual instruments, we can go to parts of these kits that we like and just introduce aspects of it. You could go on to create something quite original. The samples drop anywhere as long as you pull them across and then move them, and then you could create something and be creative. Here's another aspect we're looking at, which is focus placing and random placing. So with our bass drum, I'm going to choose a standard dance approach, and every downbeat I want something. Let's see our snare sample, and every upbeat. Okay, so say we've got pretty basic rhythm, say we've got this rhythm and we want to copy this rhythm. Again, click on the right hand side of your mouse or hit Control and click and just copy. And then in the same window, we look for what's a blank window, and we go back down to click to paste, which has placed that. So we could have a same pattern, number of different settings, and a number of different kits, and then we could span that right across your arrangement. Okay, some quick aspects to look at. Bass drum. Here we can randomize the gate. We can also randomize the velocity. We can also reset. This is just a short tutorial. Look out for the next one. It will be soon.